Hey everybody, I just wanted to comment and send a review of my experience with Pop-On Veneers. I have to say that it was the fastest I have ever seen anything be delivered that's of such high quality, and everybody was so easy to work with. So I decided to get my Pop-On Veneers for Christmas, my Christmas present, and my birthday this year. I'll be 56, and my husband and I were figuring out that it has been about 31 years since I've had a full set of teeth. I was in a prior marriage that was a domestic violence situation, and in 1991 I had been punched in the face, and I had these teeth knocked out and these teeth knocked out. And boy, healing comes, hope comes. You just hang on to that hope, and you hang on to that healing, and you find that happiness. But when I was scrolling through Facebook and I found Pop-On Veneers, I knew right away that this was going to be something that was hopeful and going to restore my smile after so many years. And I felt like I deserved it. So here's my Pop-On Veneers. I just received them today. I really like this when it says, "Welcome to the Pop-On family." And I felt like from the very first moment I ordered them, to talking with someone for technical help and all of that, I felt like family. So, but here we go. Now, I've already had them on today, and I can tell you that I am just completely satisfied with them. And so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. You open the box, and everything comes in here nice and neat and packed. They give you a nice little case to keep them in with a mirror. Everything is inside, and then of course at the bottom you get all these little QR codes and coupons in case you want to order more, replacements, spares, what have you. Also referring your family and friends. So now I ended up getting 3 free gifts, which included a mold of my teeth. And this was probably the most compelling thing for me, was to actually see what my mouth looked like. And I'm going to show that to you now. So this is made from mold from my impression kit that I sent back to Pop-On Veneers. And if you are to look, I'm going to hold them together like that. This is the mouth that I had. This is what I was dealing with, and this is what I'm talking about here. I got one punch there and knocked all those teeth out. And I got another punch there, and all of those teeth were knocked out. I had a broken jaw in 2 places, had to have that rewired back together, and all these years later, this is the final piece of my healing right here. I could never afford to have any kind of plastic surgery or any kind of other dental surgery that could replace these teeth or anything, so I've went all these years with that. And I can tell you now that it does cause a lot of problems for you to not have your teeth, especially when eating, sleeping, smiling, talking. It really has an effect on you all around, mind, body, and soul and spirit. So not only do these people make a good quality product, they're giving you back your life. They're giving you back your confidence, your smile, your happiness, and your hope that things can be better. So without going any further, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the teeth that I got. And I decided to go ahead and get Hollywood White because I felt like after all of those years, I felt like I deserved it. So again, they come in this baggie, and they're kind of down inside of here. Tells you to rinse them first. They're all completely sterile, but you do need to rinse them off before you put them in. Here's the nice little thing. Here's my teeth, Hollywood white. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. I'll let you see them here. This is where they basically kind of built up teeth where I had no teeth. This is the bottom. And if you listen, pop. They pop right in there. And you can see where those teeth were missing, they're now there. All right, here's the top, and again, there's the part that's missing. Here we go. Wow. Wow. So this is my story from domestic violence and losing your smile to hope, healing, a new marriage with a wonderful man that would never hurt me, but helps me to do this. These are so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Pop on Smile. Thank you. Hey everybody, my name is Lori, and I just wanted to come on here and share my experience with ordering my pop-on veneers. I haven't had a full set of teeth in about 34 years. The first tooth loss was due to a domestic violence incident. I had my teeth knocked out on this entire one side, and then again on this side a few years later. So I'm missing quite a few teeth in the rear and just different areas, but I still had these teeth. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to have the smile that I've always waited for my whole life. So without going too far into it, so here's my pop-on veneers. I just received them today. And it says right here, welcome to the Pop-On family, Pop-On Veneers. And I have to say, it was very quick. From the time I got the impression kit till the time I sent them back, everything went so fast. I would say that it's less than 2 weeks at most. But it's really cool. They send you all of these things back. We opened it. You get this nice little case. When they first come, I already had them on today, but I just wanted to share a video. So they come in this little bag, and they come sterile and ready to put in your mouth. They just ask you to rinse them. They give you this really nice little case to keep them in. I ended up getting 2 free gifts. I got a mold of what my mouth looked like before. And I think that's what I really want to show. Because if you didn't know I wasn't missing teeth, you would not be able to tell. So this is what my mouth looked like before. This is the model that they gave me from Pop-On Veneers. And if you can see, that's the part that I'm talking about. That was missing there, and then that one got knocked out there, and a few others along the way. So I'm happy to report that obviously I got out of that domestic violence situation, and there is hope. And I feel like Pop-On Veneers has been a part of that long road traveled to more hope. They're about to give me my smile back, and also being able to eat better and smile better and just feel better. So let me go on, and they give you full instructions, all of this. So here we go. Open it up. There they are. And I'm just going to show you one by one. I'll put the bottoms in first. And what's really cool, as you can see where those missing teeth are, they made me some teeth to fill in. So here we go with the first ones. Ta-da! I have a full set of teeth back there. Pops right in. I love it. They're beautiful. I chose to get the Hollywood white because after so many years, I felt like I deserved to have a Hollywood smile. Okay, here go the others. The top. And there they are. They look completely natural. They look better than any implants I've ever seen people get put in. I just feel like crying. After 34 years and being abused and lost my smile, thank you, Papa Veneers. You gave it back to me. I can smile again confidently knowing that I don't have to answer any questions why I don't have any teeth. They're there. Thank you, Papa Veneers. Thank you. And it was just so fast, and it's so affordable. And they're beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And everyone I talked to over the phone, they answered the phone, they spoke to me, they walked me through any questions I had. I was able to do the impression on the first try, and it was accepted, and it was good, and the turnaround time was so fast. This is what I bought myself for my 56th birthday. A brand new smile. Full of hope. Full of happiness. Thank you, Papa Veneers. I would recommend these to anybody. They are made of just some of the best material in dental. I'm going to add that I've been a dental assistant now for about 10 years, and I've never been able to afford to get the implants needed. Even working as a dental assistant, I did not have the extra money to be able to afford it. However, this gave me hope, and it gave me my smile back. Thank you, Papa Veneers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would recommend this to anyone. They are so affordable. They fit so well, and they just pop right on. They send you everything you need. I got this neat little toothbrush that says, "Love your smile." And I also got the free gift of the cleaner packet, the effervescent cleaner packets to put in a cup and clean my veneers. And then, of course, the little carrying case. And I think probably one of the neatest gift of all is just the gift of hope. After looking at what I have had in my mouth for all these years, and I could not afford to replace, and now I've replaced it. Thank you, Papa Veneers. I can't thank you enough. Thank you.